Good afternoon, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, and we have some strong storms approaching from the northwest. Right now, they are moving through central PA and the mountains. Um, this one is going more in this direction, so I don't believe that will affect us. The line will come through, but unless there's some digging energy down our ways, I don't believe that wave will affect us. I think the one we have to concern ourselves is this one, as it kind of makes this kind of trek across um, the plateau of the Alleghenies to the coastal plain, which is basically everything here. Okay. So, what does this really entail for us? We are under an enhanced risk for severe weather through the severe prediction NOAA. Um, and I just read there. Now, this is tornado probability. Now, this says probability of a tornado within 25 miles of a point. Okay. Hatched area is 10% greater and a VF2, ZF5. So anything from, basically that's south of Pittsburgh through northern New Jersey, all southern New Jersey, um, all of Delaware, all the Eastern Shore, and then all of Maryland and Chesapeake region. Um, and that is, that's the setup. Now, in terms of, I just looked at recent guidance, and I really like the NAM short term models when you look for severe weather or even like snowstorms, like the day of it happens. That's what I'm going to be using from now on. So let me give you a time period. This is 1917. Okay, this is roughly now 4 o'clock. I just showed you that line. That first line going to go through northeastern PA, and then it's the second line we have to worry about. So 4, 5, 6. Now look at this developing low. This is an upper trough. Now that's going to fuel more energy for this. Now this is 7 o'clock. They're kind of on top of us. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. That looks like some pretty intense. I want to get a sounding for this. Survey said. Oh, there you go. Now, what a sounding will do is give you better likelihood of either severe or tornadic possibility. This thing will not. There it goes. Okay, well, a couple of things are highlighted here. Okay, so it's saturated, so definitely there's rain. This is like 7 o'clock tonight. Shear is at 43 knots. That's not good. Not humidity is 90%. That's not good. And PWAT number above an inch and a half. That's not good. Cape numbers though are low, but that doesn't mean you can't have convective storms. It looks like the first wave that goes through when it is hitting us looks like that has a little bit more juice. That's not terribly high, but it's enough to start some fireworks. Uh, Shears at 65 knots. That's a little worrisome. 92% humidity at 1.56 PWAT. That basically says heavy rain, humid. You got shear. You have updrafting and downdrafting. So Winds start northwest, they go southwest, they keep southwest mostly throughout. So it looks like, yeah, that's a prototypical cold front where it pushes the wind south, south and east as the storm is going through. So I would say our hours of reckoning, our hours of reckoning would be between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. tonight in terms of that happening. Now, is it going to happen? You know, there. This one, when we get systems from the northwest that come down this way, they pretty much hit us. It's the ones that go west to east that often kind of like blow their load over here in across the Chesapeake, and then they just kind of die out and they peter out. And here's some weather roundup. Okay, so be aware tonight we've got this system is the one to worry about. So if you look on your radar now on your phone and you see these two systems, that one's going to go trail north northeast, east northeast, and this one's going to trail sort of south southeast across the plateau. Some of it's going to break up and go into West Virginia, and then some of it's going to break up and reform as it crosses the Mason Dixon line. That's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy. Stay safe, stay healthy. Adios.